Today I'm cooking a simple dish that is suitable for breakfast, lunch or even dinner. Bitter gourd with runny egg recipe. This is a well-known dish from Penang. This recipe is for 2 servings. The ingredients needed are 200 grams of bitter gourd or bitter melon, 3 chicken eggs. I recommend getting the freshest egg possible, as the eggs will not be fully cooked in this recipe. 1.5 tablespoons of salt to wash the bitter gourd, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of light soy sauce. Start with washing the bitter gourd with salt. Put all the bitter gourd in a large bowl. Sprinkle all of the salt. Gently rub the bitter gourd with salt for about 1 minute or until the bitter gourd absorbs the salt and becomes slightly wet. I am washing the salt so that my family can enjoy the bitter gourd, as they don't enjoy strong bitter food. This step can be skipped if the strong bitter taste is preferred. Please try not to break it, as the bitter gourd pieces are thin and quite firm. It can easily break if handled roughly. Alright, it should be okay now. Let's rinse the salt off. Fill the water in the bowl. Wash it, drain off all the water, and repeat for 4 to 5 times. Alright, this is the 5th time the bitter gourd is washed. Let's try the bitter gourd. It is less bitter now, and it has a hint of saltiness, which enhances its taste. Very nice. Now I can go and cook it. Switch on the heat, put all of the bitter gourd in the pan, add in 50 ml of water. Use a spatula to spread out the bitter gourd around the pan. Continuously stir for 3 to 5 minutes to evenly cook the bitter gourd. For this recipe, I recommend using a non-stick pan, as the half-cooked egg would get stuck at the bottom of the pan if a normal pan is used. After 4.5 minutes, the bitter gourd is cooked. We need to discard excess water in the pan, as it will make our egg watery. Switch off the heat and pour out water from the pan. Use the spatula to prevent bitter gourd pieces from dropping off from the pan. Put the pan back on the stove. Make a space in the center of the pan and switch on the heat. Add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in the center of the pan. Immediately add in the eggs to prevent lumps from the eggs. Give it a quick stir for about 15 seconds, or when the egg at the bottom of the pan starts firming up. Switch off the heat. Immediately remove the eggs and bitter gourd from the pan. As the pan is still hot, it can firm up the eggs. We don't want that to happen. See, the egg is still runny and half cooked. Add on light soy sauce and pepper for taste. This is best eaten immediately once it is cooked. And while the egg is still hot, let's eat. Oh wow, so good. The egg is tasty, smooth and runny. Then comes the crunchiness of bitter gourd that is slightly bitter. Such a lovely combination. My husband loves it. This can be a healthy breakfast. Lovely. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye bye.